Well, it could be another awful day on Wall Street. Investors continue to react to the president's tariffs and the resulting backlash from China.
Investors are worried the trade war might spark a global recession and higher inflation. Japan's market closed down almost 8%. Markets in Europe down 4% in midday trading. Friday, U.S. markets had their worst day in 5 years. The Dow, NASDAQ, and S&P 500 lost between 5.5% and 6%. Stock futures already pointing to a substantial losses this morning, with U.S. markets expected to open down around 2%. Fox's Doug Luzader says the president is still standing by his plan.
President Trump says he does not want the markets to tank, but he says this may be the price we have to pay for the fundamental realignment that he envisions. No matter what the language, the numbers are clear. Overseas markets took a beating overnight. That follows last week's big sell-offs on Wall Street, with signs that this could be another difficult day.
I don't want anything to go down, but sometimes you have to take medicine to fix something.
The president, flying back from Florida last night, talked about the reaction so far to his tariffs.
I spoke to a lot of leaders, European, Asian, from all over the world. They're dying to make a deal, but I said, we're not going to have deficits with your country.
But pressure may be building. There were big protests against the president and his policies around the country over the weekend. Democrats think they may have found new footing now on economic issues.
I've never seen an administration in my lifetime do something so monumentally wrong and that so staggeringly hurts American people.
And even within the president's inner circle, there may be some dissenting views. Elon Musk saying it may be time to cut a deal with Europe.
I hope it is agreed that both Europe and the United States should move, ideally, in my view, to a zero tariff situation, effectively creating a free trade zone between Europe and North America.
White House senior counselor Peter Navarro says Musk doesn't get it.
He doesn't understand that. And the thing that's, I think, important about Elon to understand, he sells cars. That's what he does.
And the president meets today at the White House with Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. And trade is certain to be a top issue. In Washington, I'm Doug Luzader for Good Day.